Hi everyone, so today we are going to learn plant parts and their uses. As you can see, there's a tree with its various parts. So can you name the parts of plant are root, stem, leaf and the flower. Let's start with the roots. Here are the function of the roots. Roots hold the plant in the soil. They also act like straws, that is, they absorb the water and nutrients from the soil, which is provided through the manure or the fertilizers and the natural salts in the soil. These nutrients are essential for the growth of the plant, like humans. Root of plants are fragile and thin, unlike that of tree, which is thick. As you can see, the tree roots are different from that of plant roots. Next, we are going to learn about leaves, which are very essential part of the plant. What the leaves do is they capture the sunlight to make the food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. The light which is captured from the sun is converted to the food which is provided to the plants from the leaves. Next part is the stem. Stems support the plant so it can get a lot of light. It carries the water and the nutrients from the roots to the different part of the plant, which is very essential for the growth of the plant. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant and they are also the reproductive part of most of the plant. In the flower there are seeds start to grow. Their petals are colorful to attract the insects around them. Plant also give us medicine. Most plants are used as medicine, are herbs. In ancient time, there was no synthetic medicines available as the science was not developed. So the plant parts were used for the treatment of the disease. Plant give us food. Plant provide us with various vegetables and fruits which we consume on daily basis. As there is pollution around us, plant takes the toxic air around us and give us fresh oxygen for breathing and make the air fresh and clean. The natural beauty of the plant make our house beautiful. Trees prevents the floods as they hold on the soil very tight with the help of the roots. The wood which we get from the bark of the trees are used for building houses and making tables, chair and other furniture. The trees provide us with shade in hot sunny day. Here as you can see, children are sitting under the tree in a sunny day. We should plant more and more trees as trees provide us with food and shelter. Trees are house to many insects and birds. Trees are the huge weapons against global warming. We should plant more and more trees around us. We should water the plants regularly. As plants use sunlight for their food, so we should place the plants where they can get enough plenty of sunlight. As the trees are great importance for human and nature, we should not cut the trees and don't make the tree rare. Keep them with care. Thank you for watching. Bye.